emergency system broadcast issued by the Philippine government. This is not a test. Important information will be announced. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. As of December 1, the Zyphilles parasite has infected 761,942 Filipinos throughout the entire country. Many of the water sources in Mindanao is now contaminated with the parasite because of the poor hygiene throughout the region. Many of the symptoms of the parasite include diarrhea, vomiting, nausea and headaches. Only around 253 people have died to the parasite and most of them are children. On the other hand, many of the infected healthy individuals still are confined in hospitals with stable immunity to the virus. Here are some ways to avoid getting the Zyphilles parasite. Number 1. Always check on what you are drinking. Your water sources may be contaminated, so always check. Number 2. Avoid individuals that are infected to the illness. Number 3. Stay indoors and limit going outdoors to ensure your safety. Department of Health, DOH, said the parasite may be a SARS mutation that combined with an parasite gene making the infection rate skyrocket. Here are some videos that showcase the severity of the parasite.
Some, like hookworms, compete with children's brains and bodies for nutrition, stunting growth and impairing intelligence. Some NTDs cause blindness as a result of awful eye infections. Other parasites confine patients to bed for months and damage internal organs, often shortening lifespans drastically. Yet others cause horrible disfigurements that lead to social stigma, a life lived in shame and unemployment. There are also a few that are incredibly agonizing. They cause continuous itching or horrible pain.
Furthermore, more research will be done to inform residents later on, said by the WHO, World Health Organization.